So you want to give the shake test? Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is post autocross. A lot of things are broken. Justin's Mastercraft is broken and we gotta fix that. And then Harris's Mustang over there is broken as well. So we'll get into all that later. Today we're gonna do a quick little simple fab work on the FC, specifically the wing. So if you guys remember, we did the chassis mount wing. It was great and all. Well, some of y'all bitch. It is a trunk and chassis. It is a trunk mounted wing with chassis supports. We'll do that, but it's dope because I can do this. I can fit my fat ass on that wing and it holds it, doesn't break, it's perfect. The only problem is we got a little side to side sway at speed. So let me show you. Not a whole lot, but more than I like. Also, it's kind of unbolted now, so it's a little bit worse. We're gonna remedy that, and how we're gonna do it is airline cable and eye bolts and everything. So let me get my parts, I'll show you what we're using, and then we'll get going. Dang, it is really windy out, and I really hope this audio is good. But we're gonna use airline cable from back in my days before YouTube when I started making videos. I used to do a lot of rigging for speakers and stuff for like basically big sound systems for auditoriums and big venues. So love airline cable. Airline cable is one of the best things to work with until you stab yourself in the hand, and it pretty much sucks. This is just random assorted bits, but I'll show you kind of how we're gonna do it. This light's kind of killing me. So we're going to put an eye bolt here, and then we're going to put eye bolts on our tabs. We're gonna replace those bolts, and we're just gonna run cable from this eye bolt to that eye bolt. Very simple. Captain Dover, you want to tell the internet what's up with your with your rig?
So we were out last weekend on the boat, and this big alternator bolt snapped in the block, so it should be living right here.
Yeah.
And once we took it out, kind of realized it's not the first time this has happened. There's already a helicoil in there, so it's probably broken before, and they had to retap. So now we're just doing it again.
Then we had to have Captain Ty pull us
Yeah,
on.
I've never done this, so Captain Ty is going to walk me through it so I don't ruin it more than I already am going to.
Neither of these are ideal. We have to make it work.
Well,
the reason
I have a whole ass set right
Is
there.
the new set ideal? I mean,
There should be one that matches. I'll do this. The main reason is this boy.
Oh, and that's just not quite enough?
Is barely on there on the bit.
So we need the Goldilocks.
We got these guys.
They're the same ones there.
Or wouldn't they sell you bits that correspond correctly with...
Yeah. Start with this one. The reason is if you have...
That,
if you're only torquing on this much, when you're going to torque it, you're not going to twist it. You want to have as much shake as you want in there.
Alright, I'm going back.
Less load everywhere. So I just know it like...
Back to the project. So now, these guys are in. Now we gotta do the ones here. So let's break out the drill bit. fact, when you are working with this shit, don't stab yourself in the thumb because it hurts. So I've got one of these kind of done, kind of ghetto, kind of fine. It's super stiff. I mean, does not move like it used to. All we did was eye bolt, eye bolt, eye bolt, eye bolt. This is just a little tensioning rod we got at Lowe's. Pretty much all this was bought at Lowe's for $15. And then this is some big boy cable. It's some airline cable. So tomorrow I will cut these ends and wrap them so no one stabs themselves, because I've done that enough today and it hurts. I think we're pretty good. So we'll clean up, but before I clean up, we've got to show you something new to the channel that Alfie is super proud of. So let's go talk to Alfred. All right, Alfie, you get the camera to tell the wonderful viewers about what you got. You want the camera? You gonna like walk around and show it to them?
No, you show it to them.
Oh my God, why are you lazy?
No, I just don't want to be in your vlog.
Well, you're in the vlog, so.
I just don't. I'm just not a YouTube person, so you got your thing going on. You can just show.
You are the most YouTube this is all going in the vlog, so.
It's fine.
You are the most YouTube person.
You can show them.
All right.
Show it to them. I could even.
Since Alfie is not a YouTube person, but he watches YouTube all the time, the Mini died. What'd you?
I think I held it on.
That thing died. Well, the Mini died. Alfie, what happened to your Mini?
It died.
Alfie really broke the Mini, so we sold it to a buddy of ours, and there's this thing now. It is a, what is it, 08? Silverado 1500 LTZ? LT. And it'll remote start if Alfie tries to do it. Or it might not.
Doesn't want to do it, bro.
Alright. Truck's broken. Perfect. Alfie got a new truck, so no more Mini. And now it's time to do some like Yibo shit. Like lift it and put some clapping exhaust on it and all that crap. But really dope. Is it unlocked? Word. Black leather interior. The driver's seat's the only thing that looks like it's been sat in. Everything else is pretty mint. What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of fixing my wing in this car. So it is super sunny and I got really burnt at the autocross, so we're wearing a floppy hat today because I'm bald and sunburn on your head sucks. So remember that, and don't shave your head, kids. But we'll finish this up. We've got to clean up this first kind of brace we made, then we got to make another one. Super simple. I'll go through the steps, show you guys again, and hopefully this will turn out nice. So we'll get into what I want to clean up on here first. I need to cut the excess. I don't know if you guys can see this. Try from this end. I need to cut the excess off of these lines and then tape them down, just make them look clean, have no one stab themselves. Now, there's pretty much one thing I hate with a passion, and that is stabbing yourself with the airline cable. It hurts, it sucks. You bleed for a while, it's not fun. So I'm going to, try not to stab yourself when you're using this stuff, because it sucks. We don't have many good tools right now, so I found vice grips works pretty well. So we're gonna use vice grips. Now we're kind of made. Now I just need to grab our angle grinder, cut some line, and do the last part, and then this whole install is done. We are almost done with this project, and I managed to buy 4 clamps, and one of them was the wrong size. I just kind of reached my end of the bend. I didn't check all the sizes. That was my fault. So I've got to go back to wherever, and I gotta go back to Lowe's and buy some new ones. So we've got our proper size clamp. Now we just need to make our final little loop here, and we're good. Pretty much finished up with this. The one thing left we got to do is cut a little bit of excess and wrap some electrical tape around all the ends.
Van Workum. Van Workum.
We pretty much are done. Harris, you want to give the shake test? Yeah. That thing does not move side to side, it moves the whole car. So I think we're good. But we've got our adjustable turnbuckles here. Everything's all wrapped up and nice so no one stabs their hands. And we're gonna have to drill more holes in my car. I've used existing everything. So not bad for like 20 bucks at Lowe's and a couple hours of work. So yeah, we're good. What do you think, Harris?
Very nice. Good
Sweet.
idea.
Well, we're good kids. Here are our drift tires on 2 events. We are down to wear bars, so nothing super bad. So that's what happens when you have no torque. You can run forever on the same tires. So now that our tires are back on, or our track tires are back on, the X-Brace is done. We gotta do one other thing that's been annoying the hell out of me for the past, I don't know, 6 months because it's been broken, is the door handle on the passenger side. We ended up breaking one of the clips on the inside here broke, so the door doesn't open. So we're gonna fix that. Happened to the driver's side a while ago, I think a year ago, so it's a very easy fix. Just gotta get it done. Thankfully, I have these LRB door panels that are super easy to take off. We might not be fixing this today because I don't have the right Allen keys. Damn it. All right, hold on, take 2. If you guys are new to the channel, you have not heard my philosophy about FC RX-7s and the fact that every single one of them were red at some point. So, case in point, my car is red. All the Hertz cars were red. A bunch of guys know their cars were red as well, so all FCs are red. But we gotta do the door handle now. This was the annoying part. What's up, guys? So we ran out of battery filming the end of this video, obviously, because it happens in all of my videos because I don't carry enough batteries. Let me know how you guys think the X-Brace turned out for the wing, and in the next video we will get into the door handle. And don't worry, I'll give you guys a quick little sneak peek of what I've been working on, and you guys should be excited. This is the pinouts that I'm documenting for the Haltech harness. I'm thinking this weekend, focus. I'm thinking this weekend Ty, Josh, and I will get started on the harness and the Haltech install. So hopefully that's gonna happen if the weather's good, but we're getting there. We are so close to having the Haltech figured out. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a long-term subscriber, thank you guys for the support, and we will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.